Hello friends, peace be upon you all. What world are you living in? Artificial intelligence has changed everything. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the field of computer science that focuses on creating machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, according to IBM. If you need to find something, so you resort to Google. If you use Perplexity instead of Google. Perplexity is a free AI-powered answer engine that provides accurate, trusted, and real-time answers to any question. Use Pixlr instead of Photoshop for photo editing. Pixlr is a free online photo editor similar to Photoshop, with a diverse range of photo editing tools. Pixlr allows you to swiftly edit and improve your photos. Similarly, you can use Gamma instead of PowerPoint. Gamma is your AI design partner. It can create presentations, websites, social media posts, and more. Gamma creates AI-powered PowerPoint presentations in seconds. Premium Pro is usually used for video editing. You can use the Runway instead. Runway Studios is the entertainment and production arm of Runway, dedicated to producing and funding films, documentaries, printed publications, music videos, and other media. You can use Pika instead of After Effects for animation. Pika aims to precisely match your vision, even if you have zero experience in video creation. Making cartoon animals, diffusion models, and occasionally, headlines. You can use Jasper instead of Google Docs for writing. Jasper is the purpose-built, generative AI platform for marketing, built on a foundation of enterprise trust. Its AI toolkit allows marketers to build apps and workflows to accelerate their success. Earlier people used to travel on Fiverr, now use 11 Labs. The world's best creators use 11 Labs. Deliver new experience and save costs for your enterprise. Power inbound and outbound AI calls at scale. For customer support, customer service, and sales. Use Leonardo instead of Illustrator for graphic designing. Effortlessly achieve visual consistency in your image generations with Leonardo. Take creativity a step further with the transformative power. Leonardo's power extends beyond its revolutionary tools. Create your next artwork with the power of Leonardo AI. And if you like this video, then hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.